What's up, guys? It's Elo here. I'm here just to talk about my little retrospective of week 2 of the cohort. So let's get to it. So this is week 2. This is the retrospective of the cohort. My experience is very, very interesting. So what is working so far? Well, I believe that I'm trying to get better at looking at the camera hole. It's very weird. I'm not used to that. It's different. Also, trying to make videos of myself. It's very weird, but now I'm starting to hear myself and starting to understand my voice, not cringing at it. Now, the thing is that's not working is how to be better at videos, meaning video editing, how to play some music, how to edit. It's a little difficult. I'm unsure how to make that work right away, but I'm sure the more I do it, the better I'll get at it. Also, what is not working, like I said, finding my voice. I want to understand how to get better at delivering the message, maybe be less awkward, maybe less stale. We'll hopefully get better at that. So what's frustrating so far? Really, I don't know. Not much. The frustrating part is just getting started, honestly. I thought that, this is for people who are cool or whatever. Screw it. I believe I'm cool. I can do it. The frustrating part is just not doing anything. And what I learned from Peter is fuck the shame. So what needs to be improved? Definitely eye contact, finding my voice. Still trying to find that audience and niche, but I feel like the more content I make out, I'll get better at it. So now, what have I enjoyed so far? Just making the videos. It's weird, like I said, making videos of myself, but I feel like I'm getting better at it. Learning how to just, be a little more creative and think about what I do, kind of map out what I want to do in the video. Not just videotaping it, plan the videotape, plan the session, where to do it. Hopefully I get better at it and deliver more content for sure. And something I found out about myself is just who cares about what people think. I've always been holding myself back because I always thought about what I thought about myself. I meant to say what other people think about me. And the thing is, if they're not paying me money, why do I care to bother to cater to them anyways? So I'm sure I'm able to at least bring something out, hopefully show people fitness, because I feel like there's an untapped potential of people who haven't done it yet because they're the fear of doing it. They feel like they can't do it because they have a 9 to 5. I've done it, and I feel like I can be a teacher because that's what I currently do at work right now. But I want to teach a lot of people. So that's it. Thanks.